Hold on, guys. Oh, there we go. I just gotta adjust this real quick. How did I adjust it? Alright, guys. Hey, everybody. Welcome to another video. Today, I'll be reacting to Baby Foxy healthy eating. Let's react to this. I know this is gonna end up bad. Okay. Favorite character seen some cabbage. Never seen purple cabbage before, but okay. What was that? It sounded like he threw up. This video is not inspired by goldfish. It's not inspired. I love that backwards nose honk noise. Freddy's honk noise. His nose. The frick? Minecraft? Okay, then just eat. Oh my god, he's wearing MLG glasses. Oh my god. Chica, what she's doing. I never thought Chica had purple eyes. That bright, though. Her harm. What are those crosses on the walls? You guys see that? There's like crosses on the walls. That was strange. Oh, by the way, guys, happy Halloween. Even though it's not Halloween yet, still, happy Halloween. I haven't figured out what it's gonna be Halloween yet. Okay. Baby Foxy's going to the fridge. It's gonna fall on top of him. Because I remember at the start, Foxy had the fridge fall on top of him. Freaking monkey. Oh yeah, some MLG skills. Oh yeah. I knew it. I knew it. I like how they're not moving and they just like slip automatically. Freaking ginormous donut.
Baby Foxy don't eat no creams. Chocolate donuts are in his dreams.
What? I didn't hear it. What it say? Hold on. I gotta hear what it just said.
Baby Foxy don't eat no creams. Chocolate donuts are in his dreams.
That sounds like fake Dan TDM. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you want another reaction video, actually I'll be doing another one whenever this video is done. Bye guys, I forgot what to say. Oh yeah. Bye guys, I hope you liked the video, and what is gonna be my outro? Peace out, or FGTV bibbly bop. Peace out. A different version of FGTV. Okay, I'm gonna start being I'm gonna be copyrighted if I do that.
Like and comment below.
Bye guys.